We're over here at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to absolute value inequalities. And we're looking at 4.1, it looks like. So we've got the absolute value of 12x plus 6 is greater than 29. Okay. And you see that little thing says refresh right there. It comes up. Click. That means you just click that and get a new problem if you want, instead of having to click the button. I'm sure I've said that once or twice. Okay, let's bring up the magic board. It's magic. Can you imagine if you pulled out one of these things back 300 years ago and showed the Indians, or wherever you are on the planet? They would just like, you are from outer space. Was that 61? I can't believe that would be 61, but it's 16. That's what I'm talking about. Actually, it was 6. My God, I'm seeing things. Yeah, the people that you showed this to would just be like, you are from somewhere else. Wouldn't you like to be a time traveler just for one day? Okay, travel back in the past with your laptop computer. I don't guess there'd be any internet, but anyway. We got the absolute value of 12x plus 6 is greater than 29. You know, so I'm like sitting here thinking, what are things going to be like 300 years from now if we're still alive? We hadn't. People are trying to, I don't know, man, bad things going on right now. I doubt if we'll be drawing on laptop computers, but I got a feeling we're still going to be studying math. More than likely, somehow, some way. We've got 12x plus 6 is greater than 29. 12x plus 6 is less than negative 29. Now, of course, remember this is pointing to the right, so you need to think of the word or. Okay, R for right, pointing to the right. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and solve for x over here. And we end up with 12x is greater than 29 minus 6. Right, and then of course multiplying both sides by 1 over 12. I should go ahead and simplify that. Right, let's just go ahead and do that now. So x is going to be greater than or equal to, so let's see, we got 29 minus x, or 29 minus 6, and then divide that by 12. I don't guess that's going to reduce down any. And that looks like 23 over 12. 23 over 12. And then let's do the same thing going on over here. I'm sure probably we will be doing math not like this, but in three-dimensional space, I think is what's going to happen. That is, we're going to be more than likely wearing some kind of device, goggles or something on our heads, and looking into a three-dimensional space where holographic image is projected. And that's my guess. I mean, I don't know. That was something I thought of many years ago. And it turns out that it looks like Microsoft has got a device. We're about to revolutionize the way we see the world. The monitor, or whatever, negative 35 over 12. Okay. I'm almost positive that's what's coming next. We will all be wearing the monitor on our face. Yep, that is what's coming, I can promise you. 23 over 12. I don't know how that's going to affect the rest of everything else, but hopefully you'll still be able to watch these videos. I don't know. 385 over 12. But think of all the new technologies that are going to evolve from that. It's going to be crazy. Okay, so we don't include it, so it's everything to the left of it. And everything to the right of 23 over 12. Okay? And I wonder if I can sneak this in right down here before that page break. So we put a parentheses here because we're not including union, and then 23 over 12 to infinity. Okay? And right, you can always check these things, kinda pick some numbers that aren't in this interval and plug it in up in the original, and it should be false. Something's fishy. Okay, so there you go. Let's try to remember all that. Can we remember? If I can remember it. We remember all that. Negative infinity, negative 35 over 12, union 23 over 12 to infinity. I'm still thinking about those different kind of internet we're going to be dealing with shortly, or computing or whatever. It's kind of throwing my mind off. Threw my damn brain into a spiral. Alright, there we are. We're over here. I'm like, oh my god. Can't handle any more of this. We're over here, GoToMath.com. Check it out. See you later.